Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today let me show you how to make a very simple yet delicious fried rice recipe. Please keep watching. Okay, so I have my beef here washed already, so I'll be adding my salt, my chicken seasoning, curry powder, my onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and I have my chili pepper here for that little heat. So I'm gonna give this a quick stir, mix all together, and I'm going to be covering this to cook for a few minutes. Let the meat release its juice, and look at the juice is out already, and I still want to cook it till soft. So I'm going to be adding little water to this to cook it further till soft. And when this is done, we'll be setting this meat aside and also the beef stock aside too for later use. And I have my pot on the heat, and I'll be adding in vegetable oil, my onion. I'll be sauteing my onion for a few minutes, and I'll add in my chili pepper for heat. And this is my chicken spice, ginger spice, garlic spice, salt, and I'll give this a quick stir. So this is my washed rice. I'm using a regular rice for this, so I'm gonna be stir frying this rice, and this process helps the rice to not be sticky. This process will really help the rice not to be sticky. And I'll be adding in my beef stock, and I'll add in more water. So we're going to be cooking this till it is soft, not soggy, not soggy. So I'm going to be using my foil paper for this, and this pot has a little hole on the cover, so I'm going to be using foil paper, and this will make it to cook easily. So in my pan I have my vegetable oil, and I have 3 eggs. I'm not going to be whisking the egg. We are going to be scrambling this egg like that. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up when you are done watching this video. And this is my scrambled egg, and I'm going to be setting this aside for further use. And my vegetable oil again, and the beef I boiled before, or I cooked before, I'm going to be frying this till brown. So give this a quick fry till brown, and I'm going to be removing it too, and I'll set this aside. And in that vegetable oil I'll be adding in my diced onion. I'll be sauteing this for a few minutes, and I'll add in my carrots. This carrot I added boiled water to it to make it a bit soft. The same thing to the green peas, the same thing to the green beans. So I just add them as in hot water to it to be soft a bit, and I'll drain out the water. So I'm going to be frying this, and this is my sweet corn. Look at how colorful this is. This recipe is so easy but yet tasty. And I'll be introducing my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper. The color is amazing. I'll be adding in my salt, curry powder, and my chili pepper for more heat. Please Make sure you season your vegetable very well to avoid it being blank. And remember the rice we're cooking earlier. Look at how freely it's moving, and this makes the rice less sticky. So I'll be introducing my rice into my vegetable, and I'll be adding in my soy sauce, and that took the taste to another level, trust me. By doing this, the taste will be different. And I'm introducing back my beef that I fried earlier and my scrambled egg. See, by the time we finish this recipe, I thought this would last you the next day. Men and brethren, it didn't last. So I'm adding in my spring onion, and look at how colorful this is. And this is my final look. Thanks everyone for watching.